In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Steam Desktop gift card. By the end, you'll have your funds added to your Steam wallet and ready to spend on games, DLC, or in-game items. Start by opening the Steam Desktop app on your computer. If you're not signed in, go ahead and log in so the wallet can be applied to the correct account. Once Steam is open, look to the top right of the window and click your profile. This opens a quick menu with account options. From that menu, choose View My Wallet. This is where Steam shows your current wallet balance and any recent activity. It's also the hub for adding funds. On the wallet page, find and select Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. This option takes you to the redemption form where you'll enter the code from your physical card or digital gift. Carefully type your Steam wallet code into the field provided. If you have a physical card, gently scratch the foil on the back to reveal the code. For a digital gift, copy the code from your message and paste it in to avoid typos. Double check characters like 0 and O or 1 and I to make sure everything matches exactly. When you're ready, click Continue. Steam may briefly verify your region and currency. This ensures the funds are added correctly. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message and your new balance will appear at the top of the wallet page. Those funds are available immediately and will automatically apply at checkout, unless you choose a different payment method. If something doesn't work, review the code for mistyped characters, make sure there are no extra spaces, and confirm the card was activated at purchase. Some codes are region locked, so the account's country must match the card's region. If you still get an error that the code is invalid or already used, contact Steam support with the error message for help. That's it. You've successfully redeemed a Steam gift card on desktop. Enjoy your new balance and happy gaming.